The slant height and the base diameter of the conical tomb are this. So the slant height is 25 meter and the diameter is given as 14 meter. So extracting this value, L equal to 25 meter, whereas the base diameter D is 14 meter. Finding the radius of this, diameter by 2, which is 14 by 2, it's 7 meter. Now they are asking, find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface area at a rate 210 per 100 meter square. Okay, we'll come to this part later on. First of all, let us understand what is the meaning of whitewashing. You have seen the use of calcium hydroxide or slacked lime, which are being used in wall. Now you can understand this better by understanding the use of paint in our wall. Before painting, the painter uses something called as primer, which is white in color. So understand, for this problem, the primer is being used for painting it in the curved surface area. So this is what they are saying. Now they say for painting 100 meter square, the cost is 210. Then what will be the cost of painting the entire cone? So for this, first of all, we need to find the total area. Then we will find what is the cost of painting 1 meter square. So directly by multiplying the given value, we can get the answer. See this. So for finding the conical tomb, again tomb seems to be like this. So we need not paint the bottom part, because as this will be somewhat like this. Okay. So the curved surface area is pi RL. So pi value is not given, so we can assume it to be 22 by 7. The radius will be 7 meter. The radius will be 7 meter and the slant height is 25 meter. So you see, all these values we already know. So by putting this value over here, we can easily find the curved surface area. Now let us resolve the second part of the question. They said for painting 100 meter square, the cost is rupees 210. But we are looking for painting 1 meter square only, so that by unitary method, if we find the painting of 1 meter square, rest we can easily multiply and get our result. So cost of painting 1 meter square will be 210 divided by 100, this much. Now to get the total cost of painting, you can directly multiply the cost with the total area, that is nothing but the curved surface area. If you observe the calculation here, you see the slant height L, you see the radius, which is 7 meter. The rate is given in this manner. Using the pi value as 22 by 7, the curved surface area is found out to be 550 meter. And you see, cost for 100 meter square is 210, like I showed in the previous slide. So cost for 550 meter square, directly the area got multiplied with 210 by 100, as I have shown in the previous slide for you. That's all.